through D. I don't know which glass they're in. We're going to see which one I like best. And I will say, when I compared these two Eagle Rares together, when I knew what I was sipping, Beauchamp and I greatly preferred this store pick. I mean, it was so much more flavorful. Oh man. It's like candy sweet and oak. Not a lot going on. Almost like a candy apple. It smells tasty. Okay, this smells like it's got some age on it. Got that musky kind of oak, caramelly, some type of fruit. Not sure on the fruit what that is. Okay, this has got some age too, it smells like. At least I'm getting some good oak, sweet, kind of cherry, almost a little medicinal cherry. Okay, last one, D. Yeah, man. It's like a kind of a little cherry, it's lighter. This is the lightest of the bunch. I'm gonna start with this one. It's probably maybe my least favorite on the nose. That's tasty. Got some good, a lot of char. Good oak spice. Not overly complex. I feel like I'm getting cherry on that one. If I had to guess, I would say that's an Eagle Rare. I'm gonna go to this one, C. I'm gonna like all of these, by the way. And I don't know if you've had this Black Saddle 12 year, what you thought of it, or what do you prefer between E.H. Taylor Small Batch, Eagle Rare? This obviously has got 10 proof points, which is going to amp the flavors. That tastes old. Good oak spice, man. Char. Getting a lot of char today. I don't know. You ever notice how certain days or times of year, like your palate kind of changes and like charred cherries and some cinnamon. That's pretty tasty. Wow, that lingers. What is that like? Lingers on your tongue. Okay. B. I get a little nuttiness. I wonder if this is the Black Saddle. Caramel, some nuttiness. Good spice though. Wow. All right. This one is like candy. I wonder if that's the H. Taylor just off the nose. That's sweet and yummy. This is super hard, man. Like, these are all tasty. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna have to kind of take my time and go through these, get some water, cleanse my palate with some crackers. This is really close. I didn't think it was gonna be this close. I kind of thought this Eagle Rare 10-year store pick was gonna take it, and then this, or even this. They're all good. I don't know. We'll see. I'll be right back. All right. I got my ranking. So, I enjoyed all of these, and I would gladly sit on any one of these. But I put in last place B because it had like a nuttiness that it just was different than the rest of them, and so it just kind of stood out to me. And I guess like today, It's good though. Today, that wasn't scratching the itch as much for me. But I'd be more than happy to sip on this, especially coming in summertime. All right. I wondered if it was the Black Saddle 12-year, because kind of that Heaven Hill nuttiness. You know what's really interesting is this tastes different. So drinking this next to a Buffalo Trace product brings out that nuttiness and kind of hides the blackberry note. When I sip this just on its own, I don't really get the nuttiness, but I get a lot of caramel and blackberry and oak. Really interesting. Yeah, how your palate changes depending on what you're sipping. But it's delicious. All right. Third place was this, just because it just felt muted compared to the rest. All right, regular Eagle Rare 10-year. There you go. This drinks with more flavor and more viscosity than the Eagle Rare. Like I said, for some reason, sipping this with Buffalo Trace products masks the fruit note and amplifies that kind of peanut note. Drink it on its own without anything else, you probably won't get the peanut. You get caramel and blackberry. Really bizarre. Third place or second place was A. It just drank with more punch, more proof. It was sweeter, candy sweet. That's what I thought. E.H. Taylor, which means the first place, kind of thought that was going to happen, was this Eagle Rare single barrel. It drinks with the flavor of the proof of this E.H. Taylor, but with take Eagle Rare regular and just up the proof and make all the flavors better. Like the guys here on the coast that picked this one, they did a killer job, man. There's a store on the coast here that their single barrels, you can tell that they pick, they taste through. I've had, some store picks at different stores, and it's almost like they're just getting a store pick just to have one. But the guys who got this, there's store picks I've tried that they're good. Anyways, well, there you have it. They're all tasty. I'd be happy to have any one of them. This is kind of what I've been sipping on the most lately. I really enjoy it, even though it came in last place in this lineup. Check this out. But there you go. Would you take E.H. Taylor over regular Eagle Rare? Have you had an Eagle Rare store pick that is better than E.H. Taylor? Till next time.